Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to Vlogmas 2023 day... Let me look. I'll tell you it's on here. 17. Day 17 of Vlogmas. Oof.
Wow.
December 17th. 8 more days, y'all. 8 more dadgum days. Okay, so let's do the coffee of the day. If you don't know what this is a coffee advent that my beautiful friend Melody from Melody's Cozy Crochet, should be linked down below. Please go check her out. Did with me, and I also sent her a 12 days of socks, which I don't know if she's finished that or not yet, but she was doing Vlogmas, but she lost her voice, so she will be back. Go check her out. Let me taste it. Sometimes for some reason when it cools off a little, I can taste it better. That's fresh out of the pot. I cannot guess. I don't know. I have no flavor. It tastes like coffee to me. Chocolate chip cookie dough. That is not what it tastes like. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Well, to me, life is a daring adventure every day. So there we go. There's our quote for today and our coffee, which, what was it again? Chocolate chip cookie dough. Yeah. One of my daughter's favorite ice creams. Okay. Now let's see, day... Oh yeah, I wasn't here yesterday, so day 16. It's a little clear Christmas tree. There's that one. Gotta remember to put it over there. And day 17, my little Grinchy Grinch advent. Another little present, a green one.
That's cute.
So very cute. Oh, so I didn't come on last night, so I didn't tell you. We did go ahead and go over to my daughter's. We didn't watch movies. We played video games and hung out. Her friend, well, their couple friend, their friends, Kevin and Jocelyn, came over because they have a toddler and a newborn, and they needed some adult time, you know, away from the kids. And so one of the grandmas watched the kids, and they came over, and that was really nice. Jocelyn's very sweet. She's a hugger. Y'all know me. If I don't know you, I don't hug on you much until I get used to you, but she's very sweet. Adorable, in fact. So, the movie we watched night before last was Krampus. Excellent movie. I hope you guys got to watch it on Peacock or something. I love that movie. So, I made, because on the cover of the DVD is a snow globe. So I made a snow globe. I will link the tutorial that I followed down below. And then that's what I made for my ornament. Although it's kind of probably should be blocked, but I don't ever block anything. I'll figure out what to do with it, but to hang on my tree. And I didn't have any cute buttons, so I just made snowflakes, like little white things to look like snow. So there's my makes. Then last night was Bad Santa. Had no idea what to do. I don't know how to make a safe, so this is the best I could do. That's a safe. I will know what it is, so it's not wasted, but there you go. There's a safe, because they be cracking some safes. And I think that's... Oh, I had Christmas cards to show y'all. That's okay. I'll show them tomorrow. I have 2 Christmas cards that I got. Well, one's a Halloween card. But that's okay. It got sent at Christmas, and I'm all for getting a Halloween card at Christmas. So, yeah, but I will show them tomorrow. I completely spaced that. I'm so sorry. And I would just have him grab them, but I'm not positive where I sat them. I mean, I know they're easy to find, but let's find out what movie we're going to watch. How have y'all been doing? Do you have all your Christmas stuff done? Because I don't. I do not. What movie is it? Violent Night, and I know what that's on. It's on Prime. Violent Night on Prime. So if you have Prime, or you have it on DVD, you can watch it. This is one of Heather's favorites, is Violent Night. Heather, the Crochet Witch. I'll link her down below. She likes this movie because of David Harbour. So yes, if you watch her channel, you know. If you know, you know. And you know. Yeah. So Violent Night. I'm so excited. I've only watched it one time. That was last Christmas, I think, around Christmas. And so I'm excited to watch it tonight. And I get to watch it with my honey because he slept in. We both slept in today. And so therefore, he doesn't have to take a long nap before work because he's had some sleep. So he probably just have a little nap. I don't know why I'm telling you all that. Anyway, so please have a merry and spooky night. And I will see you tomorrow. If you have not gotten your Christmas stuff done, my hopes and thoughts go out to you that you get it done. But don't pressure yourself because you know what? Time with family is what's most important. Love y'all.